Hello, welcome back to quite a lot of LEGO 2026 sets are revealed. So in this video, we're going to check out some other sets, not just the Friends sets. So if you want to see the Friends sets, you can press my videos a bit before. Yeah, then you'll see all the LEGO Friends sets. So let's see, we have some Duplo sets as well, like Modern Family House. It looks very cozy and it's actually quite big, so yeah. And there's also like Gabby's dollhouse sets. So Gabby is not inside this set, but we have lots of like those cat characters. And we also have like creators and we have really cute animals, and I really like this one. It really looks nice, like like corals and like this wave swoosh. And we have two dolphins. That's really adorable. So we have friend sets over here, and we have Disney, and there's a little cat over here. She's adorable, totally adorable, and totally adorable. Anyway, really adorable. And we have like Elsa and Anna, and it looks so funny and cute at the same time. It's very interesting. They made some new minifigures. We have some more Frozen sets. They have so many Frozen castles now. I don't have any of them, but they designed so many of them. So we have a little castle, and this time we have like Belle and Tiana. So as you can see, we have 6 spots, so we can place them inside. So like Jasmine and Rapunzel, so we can also put them inside. So then that'll be 6 dolls. So if you collect all 3 of them, you can have all of them inside the little castle. So this is Ariel's little castle, and they've designed it so well this year. It looks really nice. And this is Olaf, and he's like eating marshmallows and like hot chocolate. That's very cute. So we have some city sets as well. So this is like the city airport, and there's this like airplane, but I don't think it looks very special. It looks very normal actually. And city, we have interesting sets this year. Like we have cars, and we have like babies with them. So the babies are driving the cars. Okay, so it's kind of like that. So we have ninjago sets, and this one looks very interesting. Yeah, so it kind of looks like a gate, and it says like it's the 15th anniversary, something like that. And so we have dream sets as well. So you know how much I love the dreams animation, but this year it's getting really like, yeah, it looks more like ninjago now than before. But this one is a good idea. It's a scorpion and a digger at the same time. That's a really nice idea. So we also have like Shark Tank stuff like this. Yeah, I think we also have something similar this year. So anyway, we have a lot of Harry Potter sets as well. So I also made them into like shorts videos. And in my shorts, you can also see the inside of these sets. So we have Harry Potter here, and like Star Wars sets, and like things like that. So this is the 2026 like minifigure series, and I just love them all, and I'm really looking forward to it. I never really reviewed like these minifigure series. I just reviewed one of them, but this year is so cute. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.